Welcome to the class, children. I am your social science teacher, Mrs. Usha Bhavani. I hope all are safe and healthy. About geography, the study of the natural features of the Earth's surface, including topography, climate, soil, vegetation, etc., and humankind's response to them. Today's class going to learn Lithosphere 1 Endogenetic Processes. What is endogenic processes? Endogenic processes are geological processes that occur beneath the surface of the earth. It is associated with energy originating in the interior of the solid earth. About the Earth is a unique planet of the solar family. The Earth is composed of 4 spheres, namely the lithosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere. This lesson focuses on the internal processes of the Earth. The sequence of lessons generally follows the spheres of the Earth system in a comprehensive manner. Have you ever wondered what our Earth is made up of, or what lies underneath the Earth's surface? The Earth can physically be described as a ball of rock, that is the lithosphere, partly covered by water, the hydrosphere, and wrapped in an envelope of air, the atmosphere. To these 3 physical zones, it is convenient to add a biological zone, which includes all the living organisms, the biosphere. The Earth's surface is a vast area of 510 million square kilometers, where 4 spheres of the Earth interact. The abiotic spheres are the lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. The biotic sphere is the biosphere. Together, these spheres constitute the planet, the Earth. About the structure of the Earth, the outer surface and the inner core of the Earth are totally different in their nature and structure. The structure of the Earth's interior is divided into 3 layers, namely the crust, the mantle, and the core. Here in the screen you can see the crust, the core, the mantle. Okay. The Earth crust. Crust is the outer layer of the Earth where we live. It is the skin of our Earth, which ranges between 5 to 30 kilometers. It is the solid and rigid layer of the Earth. The thickness of the crust is greater below the continents than the ocean floor. The crust is classified as continental crust and oceanic crust. See, continental crust and oceanic crust. The major elements of crust, Cl, are silica and aluminium, and Sima, that is silica and magnesium. So the continental crust is made up of Cl and the oceanic crust is made up of Sima. Okay. Next, mantle. The interior part beneath the crust is called mantle. Here you can see all the part. Upper mantle, lower mantle. So, which is about 2900 km thick. In the upper part of the mantle, the rock remains solid. Whereas in the lower part of the mantle, rocks are in molten form. So, this molten rock inside the earth, it is called magma. See, here also you can see the interior part. And here the mantle, upper mantle, that is in the semi-molten and solid mantle also. The next one is core. The core is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth which lies below the mantle. It is composed mainly nickel and iron. Nickel Ni, iron Fe. So hence it is called a knife. The core is divided into solid inner core and liquid inner core. That you can see here, inner core, outer core. The presence of large quantities of iron in the core is responsible for the Earth's gravitational force. As the Earth rotates on its axis, the liquid outer core spins over the solid inner core and it generates the Earth's magnetic field. This is responsible for the functioning of the magnetic compass. Due to high pressure, the materials in the inner core are unable to move and hence remain solid. So here the inner and outer core. And the next one is rocks. The crust is a storehouse of rocks. An aggregate of minerals on the earth crust is called rock. It may be hard and compact like granite or soft as clay or loose as sand. Do you know, children, the deepest place ever reached by human technology vary from time to time. Till 2011, Kola Superhole in Murmansk, Russia, it was the deepest place. But in 2012, Z44 Chavo well, it broke the record and is supposed to be 15 times the height of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. So the exploration of Earth's interior continues. Next, types of rocks. Based on the formation, rocks are classified 3 divisions: Igneous rocks, Sedimentary rocks and Metamorphic rocks. Okay, children. Igneous rocks. About the igneous rocks, the word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire. The interior of the earth, it contains very hot molten material called magma. When the magma reaches the earth's surface, it is referred as lava. The lava on the surface cools down and gets solidified as rocks called igneous rocks. Granite and basalt. See, in the screen you can see the different type of the igneous rocks. Example, that is granite and basalt. Here more example it is given of such rocks. Igneous rocks are also called primary or mother rocks. Why it is called mother rocks? Because all other rocks are directly or indirectly formed from them. Okay, children. Then sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are named after the Latin word sediment, meaning settle. Rivers, glaciers and winds, it carry bits of rock and soil and it deposit them in layers. After a few million years, these deposits harden into compact rocks and it is called sedimentary rocks. So the bodies of plants and animals that fall on the deposits get embedded in the layers and form fossils. Example, sandstone, limestone, chalk, gypsum, coal and conglomerate are examples of sedimentary rocks. In the screen, the rock salt, conglomerate and bioclastic limestone, like types of the sedimentary rocks you can see. Okay, children. The next, metamorphic rocks. The term metamorphic is derived from the word metamorphosis, which means change of form. When igneous or sedimentary rocks are subjected to extreme heat and pressure, they undergo a complete change in their form and character. That is, in course of time, granite may get transformed. Listen children, granite may get transformed to gneiss, basalt to schist, limestone to marble, and sandstone to quartzite. Okay, so this the example of metamorphic rocks. The next one is rock cycle. What is rock cycle? Actually, the rock cycle is a continuous process through which igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are transformed from one form to another. In the screen you can see children the green color igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. In the red color magma is given. From weathering and erosion, then transport and deposition, and it forms sedimentation. From there compaction and then sedimentary rocks, then burial, high temperature, metamorphic rocks, then it melting, then magma, crystallization of magma, and a slow uplift to the surface. So this is the rock cycle. From here what you learn? It transformed. The rocks are transformed from one form to another. Clear children? So from today class, what you people learnt about the structure of the earth, spores of the earth, and types of rocks you learnt. Okay, I hope you people are understand. If you have any doubt, you can send the message. Okay children, thank you.